In this video, we are going to be talking about this breakout of Bitcoin from historical descending symmetrical pattern. What will happen if Bitcoin could be able to hold this position? We are going to be talking about the next movement of the Bitcoin, where to place long either short position. We are going to be talking about the interesting expanding strategy or broadening where pattern is pattern in Bitcoin 1 hour time frame chart. We are going to be talking about our symmetrical triangle price action, our critical area. We are going to be talking about stock market in S&P 500 chart and how it will affect Bitcoin and crypto market and much more. So don't forget to hit that like button and continue watching this video to the end, because we are going to be talking about some trading strategies that could be so useful for your trade in this situation of the Bitcoin. Hello everybody and welcome to Crypto News today, where we share our daily analysis of finding best crypto to buy now, Bitcoin price prediction, and most recent relevant things around the crypto world that any trader actually needs. So we are going to add lots of value to the channel, so press that subscribe button to look for how we are supposed to make better profit from the cryptocurrency and Bitcoin as well. So let's back to the content and jump quickly straight to the Bitcoin by looking at Bitcoin 4-hour time frame chart. Before we are going to do this breakout of the Bitcoin that is currently seeing from our historical descending pattern, let me start from where we were in last video. From as you can see, 1-hour time frame chart, Bitcoin was trying to make descending broadening wedge pattern that we were waiting for its last wave of Elliott. Let me show you the wave of the Elliott. Here, this is first wave, correction 2, 3, 4, and 5, and we see we can open line position in the bottom of this pattern, as you can see in this chart, because this is a kind of pattern that is actually bullish. So it was happened, you can see, after completing this wave of the Elliott, it was contain a major bull run through this area that was its first and a small support of area, and it was able to hold this position, pumping up to the resistance area and our critical resistance area that is so important for us, and we talk about it in last video, that is below this M harmonic, and we could expect the drop from here. So what will happen from now? This is something I personally going to do. I believe this is our critical and so important resistance area, and while we are below this resistance area, this line of the resistance, and Bitcoin tries fail breaking this resistance area, this point could be our next shorting level, and we can think about opening a short position in the top of the distance in the channel, which is almost about a little below 20,000. And as well as Bitcoin acts like this, which means Bitcoin tries was well, we probably could see major drop from here, and it could be worse than other last drops maybe. And that's the place we are seeing crypto markets and stock markets also going to see worse day. So I personally open long position from here and short from here, and I will wait for another breakout. Whenever another breakout will happen, one of my stop loss will trigger, and I'll try and write it along that's right. And if Bitcoin was able actually to break this resistance area, that our short position will be a stop, and also breaking this resistance area could be a starting of bullish trending that we can expect from Bitcoin. But the major question here is which lever is more possible to be broken out. By looking at S&P 500 chart, as you know, continuation descending of this factor can cause Bitcoin may drop from here, but let me indicate this chart by checking its Elliott waves after following descending channel. Let me guys show you, this is wave 1, this is 2, 3, and this could be probably our last wave of descending long term of the S&P 500, as you can see, based on our strong support area. And here it could be our last days of descending structure of this pattern, and we can expect to see a starting of bullish trends of a stock market. If it happened, then we could see another bullish trends from Bitcoin. So as I said, I will open short position from here. As you can see, this is some prices, this is our critical area. Bitcoin is more possible to come down to see another correction from here, but breaking over this trend is so possible and could be happen. So this could be so interesting strategy that I'm trading here right now. Breaking this area down can show downward trending also for any cryptocurrency, and get that really thoroughly. We need to be extremely cautious because maybe this is going to be another shorting level. And if Bitcoin start getting that constellation reaction at that range, couple of multiple attempts hitting this level, then of course we could get that leg down. We are looking for the big level and potential that breakdown finally. This is something we have to pay because stock market and also crypto market is very weak now, and getting down is not good at all. And before I go to the most important topic of the day, let me quickly tell you that I honestly believe this month is, as you saw, actually is too busy. There's too many trading opportunity every single day, and you know trading crypto is so profitable while it's too risky and volatility is too high. So let me guys tell you that we are a team analyzing cryptocurrency for several years, and we will share lots of value of course to this channel, but most of them will not find enough time to be sure. So if you guys interested to trade automatically our trade without touching a single finger and accessing to the internet, you can just join our private channel that its admin's name is in our public channel, which you can see here, and also I will link it below in the description. To enjoy emphasize configuration automated channel in any crypto exchange that you use with lots of insane daily profits, so never ever lose this opportunity. Furthermore, still I want to be pointing out that on the bigger picture, on that 4-hourly time frame chart for Bitcoin, nothing has really changed yet here. As we can see, yes, we are seeing a significant pump back toward the upside for Bitcoin right now, but in order for Bitcoin to be flipping bullish, I'm definitely aware that Bitcoin can pump back up toward 20,400k right now, but still 20,400 is the exact level for Bitcoin to be breaking above right now, because like you can see, this level been already performing Bitcoin significant resistance in the past, and we are basically still trading below this range we have been trading in right now for approximately 50 days. Let me show you by drawing a ruler here, as you can see. And once we can say Bitcoin is going to be bullish, that we could be open to break out this critical resistance. But anyway, for me, we are not extremely bullish nor bearish. We are sticking in a neutral trend. And something that is important here, as soon as Bitcoin breaks below that range on the lower side, we will be flipping significantly bearish. That's the place below supporting line in 4-hour time frame chart, somewhere around 18,000. And if we break above the range on the top side, we will be significantly flipping bullish. That is the way how I should be anticipate the market right now. Also, look at this level right here and the daily time frame chart. We can start to see once again, of course, we are rejected by this level in a multiple times basically, and right now on we are about to breaking above this level. So I'm definitely looking forward towards seeing a break back above this level of this downward sloping trend line right now. And if do manage to be breaking above this downtrend right here, we could be in for a very positive few days, positive few months actually for Bitcoin, because this is a definitely very important level of resistance we need to be breaking above in to order to be flipping bullish for Bitcoin. So this was today's prediction. Thank you guys for watching. See you.